Check the pressure levels on tank 3.
Levels are...
If you like the video, please subscribe to press the bell icon.
All right, keep coming straight. A little more to the left now, hold it there. Confirmed. Adjusting the flow rate now.
We need to reroute this batch immediately. Look at the levels here.
Understood. I'll initiate the diversion sequence.
All right, steady now. Doors are opening. Almost there. Watch your left side.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Pressure stable, cycle initiating now.
The pressure jets are stabilizing now.
Yes, the lipids are completely cleared on this batch.
The conversion rate looks optimal for the current batch.
Agreed. The peptide profile is exactly what we need.
If you like my video, please subscribe to our channel.
Check the collagen helix visualization on panel 4.
Looks consistent. Process optimization is at 90%.
Increasing the enzyme concentration now.
Confirmed. Temperature is holding steady.
Check the flow rate on Unit 3.
Adjusting now, optimizing membrane pressure. Check the pressure levels on tank 3.
Levels are nominal. Everything looks good here.
Acknowledged. Initiating purification sequence.
Check the particle distribution on screen 3. Looks consistent. We are hitting the target micron range. If you like my video, please subscribe to our channel.
The fill levels are consistent.
The seal is good. The barcode.
Confirmed. Ready for shipment.
This pallet here is ready to go. The count matches the manifest.
Clear it for loading.
The throughput on conveyor 4 is exceeding projections.
Yes, the new configuration is working well.
If you like my video, please subscribe to our channel. This one goes on the bottom pallet. Okay, I'll grab the next one.
We're running ahead of schedule.
Seals confirmed. All right, let's move them out.